All right. All right, quick rundown on what I'm doing. So I've got my laptop in front of me. Yeah, it is on camera. And I am going to be installing Linux to this laptop. And I don't know how long it's going to take me. It could take me half an hour, could take me 3 hours, 6 hours. I may not get this done. I have absolutely no idea what to expect. I've never done it before. I guess the closest that I've come to anything like this, installing an OS that isn't Windows, is Raspberry Pi. Installing an OS on a Raspberry Pi. And even that was a very long time ago. So, I've got a 128 gig USB stick plugged in at the moment. Sit there. So, I thought it was a 128. It's a 32. Wait, hang on a second. It says 128 gigabyte on it. Did that just say 32? Am I losing my mind? What's going on? What? How have I never noticed this before? I got scammed out of this USB stick. USB 3, 128 gigabytes is what's written on it. I don't know if... Nah, it's too small. It's not enough light. This literally says 128 gigabytes on it. Yet it's got 32. I've never picked up on that before. I've had this USB stick for a while. It's clearly a 32 gigabyte USB stick. Wow. Okay, there you go. Not the intended purpose of this video to roast SanDisk. I mean, where did I don't even know where I got this from. Maybe it wasn't... Maybe it was given to me with files on it and I didn't buy it. I don't know. Maybe it's dodgy. It looks legit. That's insane. Anyway. 32 gig will be fit for the purpose today. Alright. Wait, hang on a second. Let's go to... what's it called? Is it like disk properties or something? Oh, what's that program? Why isn't this not loading properly? Windows is so buggy. That partitions and something. Disk management, that's what I want. Let's have a look at this. It's got 86 unallocated. That's why it's a 32 gigabyte. It is a 128. Wonder how that happened. Okay, it is a legit thumb drive. It was just partitioned to 32 gigabytes. Also, I thought I had... I don't use this laptop very often, but I thought I had more drives. Yeah, I do. There's 2. Where are they on here? Oh, it's here. there. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's BitLocker encrypted. I didn't even know that. Anyway. Hey Snooks, you're getting rid of microslop. Yeah, well, starting off small. I'm only doing it on my laptop for now. And depending on any issues that I run into and what programs I can't use, Windows may come back. But I am going to give it a go. Alright. So let's have a look at what the first steps are. I opened up this window before. Had a quick read of it. Alright. Will it work on my computer? We're going to find out. I'm not going to look that up. Don't need to back up anything because this laptop doesn't have anything on it worth backing up. Download an Ubuntu. What is it with like the Linux community and naming the shit weird like this? Okay. I need to download this. This could be a virus, I don't know. The website looks legit. Download Intel or AMD architecture. Right, this is what I need to download. I don't want your newsletter, mate. Good, it's just downloading. How big is it? 6 gig. Okay, create a bootable USB disk. Download and install the latest version of Rufus. Because I'm glad they make this whole process easy. Alright, let's get Rufus. Oh shit. Go back. Let's open up a new tab. Right here, Rufus. Please don't be a virus. Which one do I want? Say which one to grab. Download, install just the latest version. Sure. Let's get this one. It's tiny. Stupid thing. This is a really bad design. There's like the love heart button on top of the chat. So I'm trying to read what Snoogs has said. It's half covered. What do you say? I've been tempted for some time to try, but always worried about the intricacies that seem to stem from Linux. Yeah, well, this is why I'm not doing it on my main PC. Not for a while. I'm gonna try it on my laptop, which I only ever use sparingly. Anyway, I got Rufus. But alright. Now launch Rufus. Insert your USB stick. Alright, let's do that. Downloads. Oh, that's desktop. Yeah. Alright, Rufus. Let's run Rufus. Hopefully we don't get roofied. No. Okay. New volume, yeah, that should appear. Now the ISO. Let's select the ISO. The ISO. Ubuntu. Can someone that knows how to say it write it phonetically? The chat. Ubuntu? 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 How do you say this stupid word? Right. I think that's about it. Let's have a quick read. Yeah, it's got the right thing there. Select next to boot. So yeah, okay, I've done that. If the button reads download instead, click the drop down and change it. What does it say? Doesn't say download, that's fine. Click start to write image to USB. Rufus tells you that the Ubuntu image is an ISO hybrid image. This means that the same image file can be used as the source for both USB stick and a DVD. We're not doing a DVD. Nobody got time for that. All right, so I'm just going to hit start. Oh, that's what it says. Okay. Okay. That's fine. There's nothing on it. Okay. It's doing its thing. So far, so good. Oh, that chat looks a bit messy on the screen, doesn't it? A little bit too much opacity. Wonder if I can fix that easily. YouTube chat. I'm using Meld for the first time as well to do this stream. I haven't used Meld before, so it's a little bit weird. And I used AI to make this chat, on-screen chat, so I don't know if I could just alter it. Might have to ask the Spark to do it, the AI. Let's try it and see what happens. Oh, I need... Can you... Wait, if something is opaque, that means you can't see through it. So I need it to increase the opacity. Increase the opacity. Oh, I spelled that way wrong. Opacity of the chat widget because the text underneath it makes it hard to read. That might confuse it. I don't know. I'll just ask it to do it. Can you increase the opacity of the chat widget to make it easier to read? Should change in real time. Let's see how it goes. This is Meld. The AI in it is actually a pretty good implementation of it to help you do your overlays. Oh, there we go. Just did it. So I've increased the opacity of the chat widget. The background is now significantly more solid, 85% opacity. I've also boosted the header and the message bubble contrast. Should make the text pop more easily against your gameplay. Alright, just need somebody to write something. It's cleared it now. How are we looking? We're at 69%. Nice. I think that looks better. Let me type something in here. Hello, Order 66. Oh yeah, it's better. Yeah, the text underneath is still poking through, but it is easier to read now. That's fine. All right, we're up to nearly at 100%, 97%. I've only just started and I need a coffee already. I feel like this is going to be a long haul. All right, so actually I can get rid of this keyboard now. That's for the other computer. All right, so that's done. I might just minimize that. What's next? If Rufus asked to download blah, 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 it didn't do that. Yep, it did that. And it's finished. The bar says ready. Click close to complete the... Okay, you got to click close here. I don't know if that's how programs work, but done that. Insert the USB stick into the laptop or PC where you want to install Ubuntu. Restart the computer. Your device should recognize the installation media and launch the Ubuntu installer. If Ubuntu doesn't launch, restart your computer again. This time hold a key during startup. Okay, yeah, that's all good. I understand all that sort of stuff. Apple hardware, not using it because that's stupid. Alright, and then surely I can just follow the bouncing ball from there. Hopefully, because I've got the instructions on the computer I'm about to install this on. So, alright, let's give it a go. Windows wants to do an update. Sorry. You're going bye-byes. I could do like a... I was thinking about doing like a dual OS and having it be able to dual boot. Then I realised I've never done that before as well, and I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing there. Bugger it. I'll just boot it. Just do it with completely removing Windows, whatever. I don't know if that actually worked. Might have to go into the BIOS and... No, it didn't. Just loaded Windows. Right, I'll go into the BIOS and fix the boot sequence. Just restart anyway, mate. Delete or F12 or all of the above. Let's just mash all of them. Could be F8 too, shouldn't it? Mash the keys on the keyboard. Come on. Come on. How long does it take to restart? Hey, cliche. Why Ubuntu and not... Can't read that. Catchy or Backseat? Can you... Let me, like... Try. I don't necessarily want to be facetious here, but have a look at the title of this video. I'm installing it for the first time. I've never heard of those things that you've mentioned, and I have no idea which one's better. I'm just giving something a go. I haven't really started. I've just downloaded the stuff onto the USB stick. Is Ubuntu a massive mistake? Is Cashy or Backseat better? Should I, like, backpedal for a second? Actually, let's while you're replying. Hello? There we go. Might do a little bit of a check myself. Because I've never heard of those things. They are more for gamers. Oh, I won't be gaming on this laptop. I game on my desktop, and if I'm away from home or whatever, I use an Ally, a ROG Ally. But yeah, let's have a look. Never heard of them. What were they called? Cashy. Cashy OS. Blazingly fast OS based on Arch. That's a great headline. Cache OS is what Steam OS will be based on. Right. Oh, that's heaps better for me to read the chat. There we go. Beautiful. Here I am struggling on this iPad looking at it. It's all good. Alright, performance first, Linux built on Arch, or Arc. So why Ubuntu? Ubuntu is just the one I'd heard of before. Oh, that's not what I want. World's favorite Linux operating system. Yeah, I think that's what sold me. Figured it can't be a favorite. I suppose this is Ubuntu.com saying it's the favorite, so I don't know how biased that is. We'll run with this. I wouldn't recommend Cache to a first timer. It's a very DIY distro, and you have a higher chance of breaking things. Yeah, definitely a first time user. I mean, I'm no noob when it comes to PCs and things like that. Literally just a noob to Linux. So, and I'm also happy to have like issues because this is my laptop. I'd use it sparingly. It's not an issue if I've made dire mistakes, and I also am cluey enough to be able to revert things, so it won't be an issue. But let's go with Ubuntu or whatever. It's already on my USB stick. The only thing is I've got to get into my BIOS because it's not booting. It's not booting from the USB. You reckon it's easy for first timers? Oh, jeez, I don't know what button to press. Whatever it is, I think I missed it anyway. I remember the good old days when it used to say on the screen, press delete to enter BIOS or something. It didn't actually just leave it up to the gods. Yeah, I've missed it again. Might power off. Shut down. Shut down. Just shut down. Usually it's F2. I'm gonna have to disagree with you there. It's usually either F2, F8, F12, delete. It's usually a million different things. And over the years, I've had that many computers with that many different methods to get into the BIOS. I don't remember anymore. Oh, whatever it is, I got in. And the mouse isn't working. The mouse pad, touchpad doesn't work. Alright. Use the keyboard. Alright. Where do I go? Boot manager. Boot priority. How do I? You, be priority. Oh, F8. Alright. USB, please. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Jesus! That, like, just instantly went, oh, you want to boot from the USB? Done. Here you go. Here's the menu. Try or install Ubuntu. Yeah, alright, enter. What I'm also hoping, maybe you guys watching can help out. Am I going to be able to, like, use my mouse and key, like, is everything gonna, like, has it got drivers for, like, Ethernet and Wi-Fi? That's something I'm not aware of. Worst case scenario, I'll be able to grab an Ethernet cable if the Wi-Fi doesn't work. It'll be a pain in the ass, but I'll manage it. I'm a Linux noob. My father-in-law bullied me to try Linux, but I'm still a Windows main. Everything should just work. Okay, thank you. Every brand is different. All my Lenovo's, Dells, and Aces have been F2 for what it's worth. Yeah, this is a Asus. Oh, that's a giveaway with the splash screen on the screen there. And I still can't tell you which one it was because I literally just went across the top of the keyboard and it worked. So it was one of the F keys or delete. All right. Are you kidding me? Am I in already? Why is this so much faster than Windows? You don't have to answer that. Windows is garbage for the install process. It took me hours to install it last time. All right, what am I doing? Accessibility. Oh, my touch mouse is working, which is good. I would like to have a mouse plugged in, but I've already got a mouse next to me for my streaming PC. I don't think I need any of that stuff. English. Can I have like? Oh no, that's for the keyboard. So English US would be right. Oh, it even has a little typing test. Hello world. That's nice. It works. Connect to the internet. No Wi-Fi detected. Well, that's an issue. So I'm not going to be able to download a driver. Suppose I can do it on my other PC. Yeah, I've got nothing detected. See if we can fix that later. Install Ubuntu. Interactive installation for users who want to be guided step by step through the installation. Automated with auto install file. For advanced users who have an auto install. No, I don't have that. Automated with landscape for users in. No, okay, let's just do the interactive one. Let's get involved. Oh yeah, the installer isn't showing on the capture card. Why is that? That's bizarre. I didn't even realize. Why is that a thing? There's no... Because this isn't... I assume it's using the capture card like a second display. Ah, yes, yeah. That's probably what it's done. How can you change that in Linux? I don't know how to do that. If I move this across, yeah, there it is. It is using it as a second display. That never crossed my mind. I can't read it off that though, so I'm gonna have to bring it back. How do I change that? Oh, here we go. Display settings. Well, that's intuitive. Oh, this is really good. Mirror. That should pop. Oh, okay. Because all I did was go like this and go to display settings. Look at that. That's that is so reasonable on how easy that is. Is this like mean it's loading, or is that? Yeah, it does. Yeah. Okay. All right. So where was I? What was it? Clarity. Legend. I would like to think it wouldn't have taken me very long to work that out myself, but I feel like it may have. All right, what apps would you like to install to start with? Extended selection. Let's go extended. Let's see what this baby's got. Install recommended proprietary software. chips with no proprietary software by default. Installing additional software may improve your computer's performance. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Yes. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Yeah, do it. Do it. I dare ya. Hang on, wait, one sec. So this BitLocker detected. That's just the extra drive that's BitLocker. Can you format a BitLocked drive? Like just erase it, because it's got nothing on it. It's just got video game installs. Let me just Google that to save me having to get out of this. So look, can you format and wipe a hard drive with BitLocker? Yeah, problem is I didn't put the BitLocker on it. My daughter did. And I bet it was probably her school. Choosing erase disk and install Ubuntu should wipe the BitLocked drive for you. I don't think my main drive is the BitLocked one. I don't. There's nothing on here that I can't lose. I don't care. Just go for it. Let's send it. Which one? Well, I don't remember what drive it is. They both 500 gigs. Just erase them. Nah, I can switch them later. No encryption. No. Create your account. All right. Lucas. It's not my real name. So, do I need a password? What am I going to use as a password? I'll use this trusty one. Oh, you can't read it anyway, but anyway. No, don't require a password to log on. Alright. Your location. Sydney. Nailed it. You may lose all your data without BitLocker recovery keys. No data on here I'm worried about. Install. Fast, free, full of new features. It's got a little what are they called? A raccoon. That's the logo, dude. Alright. Let's copy files. I thought before when it like booted up like this, I thought it was done. I thought the installation was done. I was thinking, why is that so fast? Obviously, it still needs to do its thing. This is just running off the USB, I'd say. And now it's installing. Type on keyboard there. I'm gonna see if I can add more music tracks to this playlist. Third time now. Yeah, so I'm using Meld, which is actually pretty good. Oh, there's what, 15 songs. Music. Oh, that's all of them. Oh no, it's another 14. It doesn't really want to take all of those files. So max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which it already had. Sorry, Meld. Light Rail Master. Linux. Chat. Hello and welcome. Hey, you know what I can ask Meld to do? Is add a viewer count. Add an on-screen viewer counter for YouTube. See if that works. Not a sponsor. Me talking about Meld all the time. Just literally using it for the first time, so working it all out. I've just asked the AI in it to add an on-screen viewer counter. See if it works. That's how you like make these overlays. You can do them the manual way, or you can get AI to do it for you. There you go, top left corner there. It's not working. Or is it? How many viewers have I got? Oh, I've got 9. Why does it say 0? Hang on. Let's read what it says. YouTube branding includes a mini YouTube play icon so viewers know which platform count it's tracking. Matches your theme. Oh yeah, it's slightly greened. It's not working. It says 0 viewers. It's not working properly. It still says 0 viewers. Fix it, please. At least 1 viewer. I've got. Where's it tell? It tells me I've got 8 now. I lost 1. Gives me something to do while it's installing. Alright. Pulling some strings, it says. Checking element status. Locked in. Modified element. Applied changes. Checking element status. Checked element status. It's more robust now. Looks at high frequency viewer count updates and the general stream status. There are a few reasons it might still show 0. Sync timing. The viewer count from your YouTube typically updates every 30 to 60 seconds. It may take a moment after you go live for the first data packet to reach the widget. If you're not currently live, I am live. Account connection. Ensure your YouTube account is connected in Meld Studio. It is. You're showing the chat. Yeah, still not working. All right, what do we got here? Hello. Who is it? Meld Studio fam. Spark is popping off and this streamer is making Meld Studio shine. What? Really? Not sure if I am because the viewer count is not working. I'm a hello. Rise Gamers. Oh, that's sick stream idea. Is that sarcasm? Can someone catch me up? I've just installed Ubuntu, if that's how you say it properly. What made you want to mess with Canonical's version of Linux? I don't know. This is my first time using anything to do with Linux. But I don't know. There's absolutely no reasoning behind it. I went to the website and it said it was the world's most popular. But I don't know. Oh, okay. Rise Gamers. Cheers. Good answer. Yeah, well, that's all I've got. Yeah, the only thing is with this Meld thing, I'm trying to get the viewer counter to work. It doesn't work. It just still says 0. Well, you're no good to me. Bye-bye. I'll give it one more try. I'll tell it doesn't work. It still doesn't work. Can you fix it, please? Alright, let me put this down because we're installed. Alright, it's ready to use. Restart now. Continue testing. Just do it. Do your thing. That is exactly how I fixed the BitLocker drive on my old laptop. Oh, right. Not sure if you used this Meld thing for the live chat on screen, but it's very delayed. I'm looking at about 2 minutes delay before it comes up on my screen. Yeah, I did use Meld for that. Is it slow, is it? I mean, look, the main purpose of having the chat up on the screen is really just for watching it back later. So that way, if I'm like mentioning or talking about something, there's a little bit of context. Because when you watch like a VOD back later, actually on YouTube you do have the chat going on the side. However, if you do any sort of edits to the video in YouTube, that live chat thing disappears. So at least it'll still be on screen. But yeah, I don't know. Delay test. For me, it's 6 seconds delay for the live chat. Like popping up on the screen, like on the actual stream screen. Ubuntu, cute. Oh, here we go. We've got our first Linux snob, because apparently there's 1,000 different versions of Linux. Ubuntu was the first one that came up when I Googled. That's why I've chosen it. I have absolutely no affiliation, no understanding of which one's which and what does what. I just picked one. From what I've seen, I've picked the one with the funniest name and the hardest to pronounce. Ubuntu, Ubuntu, I don't know. Whatever it is. How can you tell if a Linux user runs Arch? They will tell you. Right, I don't know what that is. But I understand the context of the joke, though. It's almost the same as how can you tell if somebody has been vegan for most of their life? They'll fucking tell you over and over and over again until you bludgeon them to death with a stick. You know, the funny thing would be to do is to chop them up into little pieces and feed them to their own pet. Are you guys talking about Arch? I use it, by the way. Wait, is it Arc or Arch? I just feel like the whole Linux world is based around words that could be pronounced many different ways. Meld Studio Fan is rating with 12 viewers. Oh, that's a thing? Oh, thank you. I wish the viewer thing worked. It says syncing now. What are you thinking about? It's now set to display syncing until it receives the very first data update from YouTube. If it stays on syncing or shows 0, it means the Firehose SDK is currently reporting 0 viewers. This is common if you are currently offline, which I'm not. The stream just started. No, I'm not. Account sync. Double check that your YouTube account is connected. Well, I feel like it has to be connected, doesn't it? Because I'm streaming. Let's have a look. Yeah, there it is there. It's very connected. Alright. It doesn't work. Worry about that another time. Basically every distro does everything but slightly different. Yeah. Arch. Yeah, Arch, not Arc. Okay. Are you a server owner? Just curious. Nah, I don't own a server. Ubuntu. Still don't know if I'm saying that right. Was and still is the most common one with an efficiency of a server. Right. It is waiting for you to push enter. Oh, is it? Okay. Thank you. So it is. It's just the thing. You need to stop the thing from turning if you want me to do something. I thought that was still loading something. As I was distracted by the stream. You have to remove the install USB and press enter. Your PC doesn't restart. Press the enter button, please. You did it too? Alright, thanks. I don't feel so bad then. Oh, we're in! We're in. It's very hot in here. I need some air conditioning. There we go. Air conditioning on. Alright. Next. Location services. Do we need that? Nah, don't worry about it. Everything's off by default, mind you. That's really good. Welcome to GNOME. What just happened proves that you'll be a perfect Ubuntu user. What does that mean? Are you being facetious, or you mean that. I have no idea. Make sure it didn't reboot onto the USB if it's still plugged in. No, I don't think so. It would have been the installer again, I would imagine. Who knows? Ooh, default or dark? Ooh, dark looks nice. Dark. Which one do I want? Dark. I like the orange accents too. But green is a... Oh, I'll switch that later. Get started with more applications. Alright. Open App Center. Am I even online? I don't even think I'm online. I don't remember setting up any Wi-Fi. It extended the screen. Oh, it's done it again. Thank you. I know how to fix that. Stand by. Want you to mirror it, not extend. Alright, there we go. Crisis over. If you didn't read the thing and waited for this long, you've got the guts of an Ubuntu user. Those who read go to Linux Mint, and nerds and geeks like me jump into Debian and Arch. Okay. Right. I feel like I am a little bit of a scaredy cat still. This isn't my main PC. This is my laptop, which I use sparingly. I got my PC here to my left, which is right on the screen, and I've got my stream PC to my right. This is an entry level where I'm going to see if it's good before going any further. All right, I need to try and get online because I don't. What's this? Settings. Let's see how intuitive this is. Here we go. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working. Shouldn't be any saved networks. Oh, there they are here. Oh, that didn't work. The numpad didn't put the numbers in. Okay, now that should work. Ugh, why am I getting like weird pink artifacts on the screen there? I just noticed. Also, the coloring on the stream looks nothing like what I've got on the screen here. I think my capture card doesn't really do justice. Yeah, it's weird. It's got some glitches. That's not on my laptop. That's just on the stream. That's like a capture card thing. Rest assured, the more you learn to read, the faster things will get. Do try changing desktop environments once in a while. Sudo apt install Plasma. What do you mean the more you learn to read, faster things will get? Yeah, I don't know. Did that work? Am I connected? Yes, I am. Yeah. Firefox? Firefox is a standard install here. Is there? Can I install Edge? I really like Edge. I want to use Edge. I'm joking. Relax. I could imagine most of you are ready to just start. What the f? No, I'm joking. Firefox is interesting. What's a web page to go to? Let's go to YouTube. YouTube.com. It works. Let's look for first time user installs Linux. Ubuntu. What are these notifications I'm getting? Am I on here? Have I made the algorithm? Oh, that's what I should have used. I should have used the... What do you call them things? Penguin. Once you go plasma gnome is really hard to go back. I missed the chat, yeah. Not insist first time users to hop in the terminal emulator. Don't know what that is. Linux is mostly reading manuals and guides to get to know things. The more you read, the better you get at using your computer more efficiently and better. There are certain stuff that devs at Canonical, founder of Ubuntu, degrade the sort of improve user experience. But for efficiency, you can remove those things. Okay. Anyway, was I on here? This is a little bit of narcissism. Oh, there it is there! Found it. I only had to scroll like 4 pages. Yeah, there's a lot of chatter going on in the chat, strangely enough, that is way over my head. Way over my head, lads. Don't know what that means. Alright, let's... Right, the browser works. Oh, look, I've even got a battery thing up here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Keyboard lights. Oh, that controls the... I couldn't even get Windows to do that. I know that looks weird. You can't see my keyboard. Why is it glitching out like that? Is it HDMI cable? Alright, what else can we do on here? What's that? Rhythm box. Files. Where's the drives? Oh, that'd be the BitLocker one. I don't know what the password is. Can I just format it? Erase. I don't know. For use with all systems. Oh, I can format it again later. Let's just call this one the SSD 2. All data with... Hang on. This isn't the drive I'm installed on, is it? Shit, I didn't even check. No, I don't think it is, because it's the BitLocker one, right? This... Oh, wow. I'm trying to work out what this means. Yeah, so that, yeah, this one, I can format that one safely, I think. Ooh, don't know what I'm doing. Just do it. Just, yeah, whatever. This is different to what I was just doing before. Let me just do it this way. That way I was doing it before. Long story short, just like we had command in Windows, we have terminal in Linux. We use it a lot. I wouldn't expect that. It has a perfectly good GUI. But yeah, if you use it a lot, that's good. No, I'm not formatting it. I'm fairly certain This is the other drive that's in there. SSD 2. I think. Surely it would let you know. It would let you know if you were going to format. Oh, is it just what my password did for Ubuntu? That I can do. Just powers down. There's a right because I don't know. Does it not give you drives? You know, like C drive, D drive, E drive. If it looks like a perfectly good GUI, you're in for a treat. Because this is considered the most mid one of all by far. Even Vanilla GNOME is better than Ubuntu. Erase disk with overwrite will take forever. I didn't do with overwrite. Oh, I must have. Did I? It's going to take 20 minutes. Whatever. You can do that in your own time. But yeah, how do I see my drives? I wish I had an actual mouse. I hate this touchpad. That's just files. App Center. Comes with LibreOffice. Oh, discs. Oh wait, no, that's open because it's doing that. Surely I'm formatting the right one, right? Yeah. Doesn't matter. What's Rhythm Box? Oh, it's like a music player, media player. All right, where's the App Store? App Center. You just get one drive. You add your removable media inside that. I mean, I've got 2 SSDs plugged like in this laptop though. As you can see, these two here. How do I see what's on them? Network. Hey, it's got my computers on here. Can I actually... Oh, just passwords for everything. Anyway, what do you guys recommend that I download? Let's see, can I get OBS? Oh yeah, they have that stuff. What about Meld on here? No. Steam. Steam is what we need. Oh! Why? Just download it. Alright, biggest challenge for Linux users is explaining Linux terms before launching them at novice users. You have it added and summed up as one drive. It's the job of the software to detect which one is which, not you. Hassle-free move. Yeah, but what if I want certain things in certain places? I don't know, I suppose it could work. I don't know. It's just more of my Windows mind talking. Productivity. Chromium. Should I get Chrome? Is that Chrome? Or like, is that Google Chrome? Or just a Chromium browser? It's the Google Chrome logo. should I just stick with Firefox? Bitwarden. Games? DOSBox. Oh, RetroArch. Discord. I need Discord. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. Never use Chrome. Okay. Spyware. Okay. Should I put a piece of sticky tape on top of the webcam as well? I wasn't going to use it anyway. I don't particularly like Chrome. Heroic Games Launcher is also fire. Combines Epic Games, Amazon Games, and GOG to one launcher. I always forget that Amazon Games is a thing. I haven't checked that in ages. See, I might check it on my other PC. Because I won't have to log into it. Just keep. You go over here. Browser open. Amazon Games, eh? Let's have a look. You guys won't see it. This is a different... Where's the... It's over there, the camera. Okay. Yeah, on a different screen, different computer. Games at Amazon. That's not what I want. How do you find the games? Because you get the free games every month or every few months or something. Maybe I'll just search Amazon free games. Claim your games. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, there's a few games on there. I don't know if any of them are good. Oh, Rebel Galaxy. I've already got that though. Yeah, there's a few things on there. All right, where were we? Amazon Games. Nah, Luna is dead. No. You can they give you like games that are on Epic and games that are on Steam and stuff. If you're a Prime member. I love Brave. I use it everywhere. Don't know what that is. Paid game on Steam. Free Epic/Amazon game. Why is that? I would absolutely prefer to play my games on Steam because Steam is obviously a million times better. But a free game is a free game. Okay. Brave Origin is free on Linux. Windows and Mac users have to pay $60 for that. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Let's log in. Hopefully I can do this using my phone so I don't have to remember passwords. This Discord that I'm signing into as well is like great community. I don't know if that matters. I don't think it does. That's just the login, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think it mattered. Yeah, the AGXP. Great community. Everyone's nice, and if they're not, they don't last long. What's this? Disco is dead. Apparently that's out now. Disco is dead. $30. I don't know what that is. Anyway, alright, that works. This is great. Like, this Linux experience is fantastic. It's quick, it's not laggy. It's good. Brave Origin, what is it? It's a privacy-focused browser. For regular users, even regular Brave will do it. But I like Origin, it has 0 ads whatsoever. Meanwhile, Chrome... sarcastic laughs, yeah. What am I looking at? Close that. So is that on here? Brave, is it? Oh, that. Should I use that? I mean, Firefox is working fine. How's this thing going? Still going? Which one did it? Oh, it must be finished. It's partitioning. I don't know. Keep doing whatever you're doing, mate. I won't interrupt you. It's a yes, sir. Remove Firefox. That's bloat. All right. I'll take your word for it. Alright, hopefully you can do it like this. Let's unpin app details. Does that have an uninstall in here? This is just so intuitive. I thought I was going to lose my mind using this. This is because, you know, like a Windows user using Mac, and you get on a Mac and you're like, I don't know what I'm doing. This isn't like that. This all makes absolute sense. I promise this guy knows what he's talking about. Been using Linux for years, and has helped me out a ton. Are you talking about Azuretron? Alright, so I got rid of Firefox, and Brave should be installing. It is installed. Let's open Brave and pin that mofo. Pin to dock, but you go up here at the top, so I can look up some porn later. Alright, we're in. I, strangely enough, quite like that taskbar up on the left there. I thought I would want it down the bottom. If you'd had asked me beforehand, I would have went, down the bottom, same as Windows. That's the easiest way. Nah, I like that. That's really cool. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Azure. And thanks, Rise, for giving him a bit of endorsement. Ubuntu. Oh, I hate that word. There's got to be an easy way to pronounce it. I need to hear someone say it. Ubuntu is Linux on training wheels. Real Linux is even more intuitive to new users. Well, then wouldn't Real Linux be great for training wheels if it's even more intuitive? I don't know. Yeah, what's Real Linux? That's a good question. Any Linux that you can build and make your own. Debian, Arch, yeah. I wouldn't want to start there. This is fine. Set as default browser. Brave. So you're saying this Brave is $60. I'm guessing US. Is that $60 US for non-Linux users? That's crazy. Want better search results? Maybe later. No, finish. This looks a lot like Edge. All right, let's go to youtube.com. What's this? Brave Shields blocked 3 trackers on YouTube. What's that? Install what? Anyway, good job. All right. Someone installing Ubuntu Linux for the first time. Let's see, does it find me? It's very sensitive for the scroll. Jump. It's there. There's me there. Oh, I'm going up. Moving up in the world. It's like the second or the third page. Lovely. Alright, I need to get some shortcuts added to this. How do I add a shortcut? Can I have a shortcuts bar? Oh, that didn't work. Oh, that's just going to open up another one. Oh, what's this? Bookmark is what I want. I don't want this exact page. I want YouTube just bookmarked. Like that. There we go. Done. So it's bookmarked. Where are my bookmarks? Snoogs is still lurking. All good. Did it work? Yes, it worked. Swimmingly, actually. Compared to the amount of times I've installed Windows, this has been the most user-friendly, quick, clean install of an OS ever. Windows took me all day. I really thought that this might take a while because I didn't know what I was doing. It was so easy. So easy. Sebastian also loved to see a good first impression for Linux. Yeah, well, this is genuine, man. Never used this before, and it's intuitive and I like it. I don't know about this browser. I want some shortcuts, like a shortcut bar or something. I'm sure you can do that. Bookmarks is what I want. Oh, go back in bookmarks. Show bookmarks. Always. Hey, there we go. That I don't need. Like that. Beautiful. Can we have icons only? Is there an icon only button? Do I just edit it, get rid of the name? I guess I could do that. What's this button do? Tabs. Look at this. 91%. This is cool too. Power mode is balanced. Go hard. Go for performance. We're plugged in. We've got infinite power. I know. Oh, there's Discord. It's up here. Let's do a speed test. Ookla speed test. okay. It's not going to be the fastest because I've recently dropped. What's this? Yeah. I've recently dropped my plan. I used to have it double that. That's pretty good though. Not bad. All right, I'm going to go make a coffee because my mouth is getting quite dry and I am, what do you call it? Let's just go with parched, shall we? I'm going to get a drink. If you guys don't mind, if you aren't going to leave, maybe put in the chat some recommendations for programs that I should install. Like Brave, I just installed. It's a good one. I don't mind that one. Let me know what I should add, and if there's any like customization things that I should install. I'm actually really excited for this. This is good. I'm still a little bit confused about how the files work. Apparently you don't have drives. It all just puts it in one. Suppose that's okay? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to make that coffee. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. All right. There's one centralized directory structure starting at, and you mount drives onto directories. Okay. All right, let's have a look. Azure said Proton DB. Is that in here? Okay, I'm obviously searching in the wrong place for this. And then Sebastian has said GNOME tweaks. Alright, guessing you don't get... Oh, I'm in games, am I? Is that the problem? No, I'm obviously in the wrong place for that. Video editing with GenLive, but may require some setup depending on your GPU. Ah, thank you for mentioning it, actually. I want to see if I can grab the NVIDIA software. So I don't know if any of that's installed. Also, what the refresh rate seems right. Don't know how to check that though. Let's have a look. Video. Can we just get NVIDIA? What's it called? NVIDIA app or something? Yeah, this thing. Have that for Linux. Good now. Sure. Okay. All right. So it doesn't run XEs. Is there? Maybe there's. I can't use NVIDIA app, but maybe I could just get the driver. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Is NVIDIA app compatible with X? Has released a native GeForce Now. Wait, GeForce Now? Oh, no, that's not what I want. He's not available on Linux. Okay, so can I just get the driver? How does that work? Just pre-installed drivers, right. So how do I know if it's running the NVIDIA or if it's just running like a default thing? Oh, it's GeForce. Say 2060 is, I think. 20 series notebooks. 2060. Scroll down, damn you. Okay. Linux, Arch. Geez, I don't know. Which one do I pick? Linux 64-bit, maybe? I don't know. What should I pick there? What am I using? What is Ubuntu? Find. Alright, found something. Can I have it? Thank you. Ask AI. I ask an AI. It's alright. I'll just download that and see if it works. What happens? What the what is this? I don't want to edit it. Run it. Open with. Run this. I don't know. Just fuck it. No, that's okay. It's using a text editor to open it. NVIDIA Linux x86. And it's opening it as a text file. What's that saying? Okay. Right click. Right click it, set as executable. That button isn't there for me, mate. There's no set. Properties, gotcha. Executable as program. Why doesn't it know that automatically? Oh, I did nothing. Properties. Executable as program. Run as a program. That could be tidied up. NVIDIA installer must be run as root. Okay. Run it as root. Whatever that means. Is it doing things? Hello? Hello, NVIDIA? What's this thing? Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh. Thermal setting. Oh, she's chill. So you already have it. Yeah, it looks, that's what I think is going on here. It must have done it automatically. Display status bar. Slider text. Prime profile. Performance. Whoa, glitchy. Yeah, it must have added the GPU driver on its own. Windows doesn't do that. Restart to apply. Well, do I quit or minimize, or what do I do with that? I don't know. I could quit it. Is this finished doing what it was doing? Yeah, it's no longer thinking. Shut that. Don't need that anymore. Move to trash, where you belong. SSD 2. So, unmount. Interesting. Alright, let's restart. Let's give it a fresh restart. Let's work out how to do this. Restart. Let's give it a restart. First restart, because it's probably done a few things since booting up. Is that an NVIDIA driver? Yeah, it was. And Linear and Linux were poles apart. No, there are definitely linear Linux drivers, yeah, for NVIDIA. I'm going to give Meld another crack at this this counter. Let's do it. How many have I got? 7. Alright, this counter viewer still says 0. Where's my keyboard for that? Yeah. Alright. Alright, Meld's AI. The viewer counter still does not work. I am live and have been live for about... How long have I been live for? Fucking ages. 10, nearly 2 hours. Can you fix it? Fix it so it shows my viewer count. I currently have 7. Heaps of viewers. Yeah. Alright. Enter. Do it. Fix it, Meld. You got this. Make AI look good for a change. Actually, I'll give it some credit. See that widget down in the bottom left hand where it says now playing and the song title and all that? Mel did all of that. I just uploaded the songs. Even the circle camera with the thing, I just said make a circle camera with a white border, that sort of stuff. Why use any other AI when you have Leo in Brave? Just search on Brave and get the results. Well, I don't think Leo in Brave can add widgets and stuff to my stream, can it? It says connecting. Still trying to do its thing. Oh, what's this home business? What's that? Oh. Alright, it's like files. Why is it down there? Alright, what does it say? Oh, is it working now? I can't see what that says. says dash dash viewers now. So instead of saying 0, it just says dash. Initializing though. Right. Connected. The widget has... Alright, so it'll say initializing, connected, blah, blah, blah. The widget is now set to display dash dash until it gets a real number so we can see if it's actually getting data or just sitting idle. Yeah, how come it could do the chat? It did the chat for me, no dramas, but it can't do the what do you call it? Viewer counter. Let me see if I could get one. I don't know. It bugs me. I really want one. What's it called? Okay, YouTube. Yep, that one. Aussie Gamers Experience. Continue. Continue. Bloody hell. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing, but it's not exciting. Widgets. See, Meld was supposed to fix this. Make it so easy. Not working. View account. Here we go. Now, let's see if I can add browser. It's going to give me a weird cat until I put the settings in. Paste. Enter. Here we go. Meld, you let me down. But now I have one that works. Right. Leo will always be accurate like rock. Every other AI, like this one who suggests Ubuntu as your main, is inaccurate as Flip. What? All right, let's see. App Center. There's a proxy. Finding vulnerabilities in web applications. I definitely don't need that. Let's go to featured. I don't know what any of this is. Let's try Steam. Let's try a game. Pin it. Pin it. What's this question mark? Help. Oh. Let's close that. Steam. Give me Steam. What? Steam doesn't work? I don't want to do this. Uh-oh. Linux is losing me. As I said, we need to use the terminal. Oh, wait. Something's loading. It worked. What was it whinging about? Please don't log into my Steam or log into your Steam on my computer. That would be awkward for you. Funny for me. The games won't work until you configure NVIDIA and Proton. If that's true, I think this is going to be short-lived. I think the NVIDIA driver you ran from NVIDIA may have uninstalled some stuff. Maybe NVIDIA is still unhappy with Linux. Well, let's test it. Find out. What's this? What are you shaking your head at, mate? Oh, it opened up a new window. Close all. That. Alright, go to my library with a kabillion games. Game should be test. Let's go. Retro Rewind. Let's install that. No, listen. No, don't worry about that. Yep, you install there. I don't mind. Let's see. Reserving space. How big is it? 2.3 gig. Managing downloads for this device. I've not seen that before. I can manage downloads on my PC from here? Crazy. Why is it downloading so... Oh, this isn't downloading it. It's transferring it. I don't know. I don't know, it's downloading it. It says download. Never mind. Anyway. It's alright. You saw the lines in the beginning before you skipped it. Just copy and paste that to Alacrity. Alacrity. Before you test them, go to settings of the game. Click turn on compatibility layer. I'm just going to try and run it, whatever. Why Ubuntu? Ubuntu? I don't know. I don't know any of them, man. I just went, oh, there's one. You'll do. It wasn't AI. AI didn't suggest it to me. Don't make up bullshit. I went to the ubuntu.com and it seemed like, because it's one that I've heard of before. And Ubuntu.com, I can't even speak properly saying that word. Ubuntu.com claims that they're the most popular. So I did it. It's NVIDIA. It's an NVIDIA. So where are you at in the process? I see it's installed. Yeah, so I've got it all installed. I'm just trying things to see how they work. I've installed Steam. I'm installing a game and seeing how it runs. Because I don't know if my graphics driver is installed properly. We'll find out. If this game runs like balls, then Steam is not responding. Did you set up the non-free repo? I don't know what that is. I hope the Ubuntu version has Proton turned on by default. Okay, I thought Steam crashed. Sorted itself out, did it? Got the NVIDIA driver installed. I don't know, I think so. Let's have a look. Oh, my save is here. Please don't melt my save. Ugh. Is that running alright? Is that good? Where's this? Where's the FPS? Give me the FPS. Settings. Where do I see that? Can I get to that from here? Nope. Nope. Game. Oh god, I don't know how to turn it on. The fans are going mental. Looks like it's kind of running alright. Jeez, I'm broke. It's not running at high frame rate though. He has a lot to learn. You're not kidding. You know something I have learned though? There's a lot of like God complex syndrome with the fans of Linux where, you know, although you're helpful and nice, you're not shy about making me feel like I'm a piece of shit. Sure, there is a way to turn it on from here. The frames. Oh, here it is. Sure. Where did that go? Here. Here we go. Relax, relax. I found it. Top left. FPS. Single value. Right. Does that work? Yes. There we go. 45 FPS? What is this? Rubbish! No, you're doing well. It's just that we sometimes need to vent information. Yeah, it's all good, man. I've got thick skin. It's fine. Oh, I can see the ominous terminal window lurking in the shadows. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's not so much that I'm worried about using terminals. It's just that I don't want to. 'Cause they're not fun. Hey, look, pornos. It's my adult section. Oh, this is so terrible. I'm using a trackpad. Why is the screen all glitchy? I haven't done that before. I'm just going to unplug the HDMI. Plug it back in. I don't know if it's making a difference. Your NVIDIA driver isn't installed yet. That would explain the shitty performance. Let's get that sorted. Let's get out of this. Quit. And get this running. How do we... I thought it was. Does this tell you anything about that? I don't think it does. Right. NVIDIA driver. Is that up to date? I don't know. Looks like it is installed. Well, that's the point. Every guardian's words feel harsh to a baby's perspective, but it's for his own good. Yeah, I know, but you know, elites of the Linux world, I feel like you enjoy it. Like, ooh, you must listen to my every word because I know better than you. You're not wrong. The terminal just somewhat raw access yet. Looks installed. I stand corrected. Yeah, but why? I mean, should a game like that be running so bad? Maybe it's just... Maybe it is. I mean, it's only a 2060, I suppose. It's pretty old. How can I really test? But we use DKMS, not normal drivers. Well, you would need to open a terminal to see. Can you run me through how to do that? I'll do it. How the fuck do you open a terminal? Is it in here somewhere? Camera? Yeah, have access to my camera. Oh, look at that! Does work. There's my other PC. Check it out. Makes me feel like Batman. That one's running Windows. Scan. Oh, you can scan QR codes with it. All right. I got distracted. What was I looking for? Terminal. Is it called Terminal? It is called Terminal. All right. I run Fedora, but you can type Terminal in the menu. Get that. There is the terminal, but I'd prefer that you go to the store and get Alacrity. Feels better. What is Alacrity though? Sounds like he knows what he's talking. Oh, Azuretron sounds like he knows what he's talking about. Yeah. Alacrity. So I just type this in, eh? In here, NVIDIA-SMI. It's bigger. Oh, it doesn't make it bigger. This doesn't mean a lot to me. All right.
Don't look at the past. No, we're not going that way. Oh, not make it last.
Alacrity is a better terminal, uses GPU instead of CPU for performance. Alacrity. Alacrity? Alacrity? Alacrity. Install. Jesus, every single time. Hey, grim job. How's the install going? Well, it's installed and it was insanely easy. However, using it is different. For the majority of it, it's actually quite simple. But getting it to work with certain things isn't as easy. Okay, here we go. close terminal. And we're in here. But what do? Yeah, I'm in terminal. In Alacrity. On 3 business day, wait for it to install like Windows. No. Windows took hours. This was actually quite fast. The majority of this stream so far has been in Linux. Whereas that time that I was reinstalling Windows, the majority of the stream was installing Windows. Alright, NVIDIA dash SMI. What does SMI stand for? Show me information. Alright. It definitely showed me information. Alright. GPU, name, persistence, performance, usage, cap. GeForce RTX 2060. SMI stands for show me information now. So I'll remember it. Or forget it. I'll probably forget it. System management interface. Show me information it is. What if I typed in Ubuntu dash show me information? It says you're an idiot. That is not a thing you can type in. All right, well, is this information good? Because I don't know what it means. I'll try a different game. Maybe this computer's just a bit too old to run that game at more than 45 FPS because the settings were quite high. What other game should I try that will use the GPU but not too harsh? Baby steps. Do you reckon baby steps? Oh, I'd have to plug in a controller for that. I think. Screw it. Let's try it. Let's try baby steps. What is it? 18 gig? Give that a minute to install. It's breakpoint. Buy Sweet Carol. What is that? Ooh, it looks like a Disney cartoon. It's a narrative horror. Looks cool. Mixed reviews, but all time is positive. What we got? The very beginning of this game, the art style drew me in. It's hand-drawn animation. You can see how the team who made this took lots of time and love. Story is really good, confusing at times, but I feel it all makes sense in the end. The end, by the way, brought me to tears. Game crashes too often is a negative. I might. It's in the family library. I might just add that to my wish list so I don't forget about it existing. What is this? Buy Sweet Carol. Did we just see? We just see a user run away from the terminal. Run away? I didn't know what to do with it. I saw the information. I left. If you click the penguin in Steam, it will show you games that are for Linux in your library. Most games also are not made for Linux. Performance varies a lot sometimes. Sebastian, that is a very good point. That might be why it didn't run very well. It's not designed to run well on Linux. Maybe I should try like a Valve game. Proton DB to see how many games will run ahead of time. Very good. That's good advice. Clarity. Gorgeous game, little boring. Oh, yeah, you're talking about by Sweet Carol. It looks good. I'd say most games run for Linux. It's the dev's choice to let them or not. Curse you, Riot Games. Fuck Riot Games. I hate them. Their games are shit. That was a little bit harsh. I don't hate them. I don't know them. They're probably nice people. I don't like their games. Toxic landfills they are. It's the dumb kernel level anti-cheat. Yeah. Terminal isn't just about the info. I know, terminal is life by the sounds of things. That needs to be a t-shirt for Linux people. Terminal is life. If I ever see somebody wearing a terminal is life t-shirt, I'm going to sue them. For the $2.50 in their pocket. Try this command. Sudo apt install lib nvidia. What's that going to do? I'm putting a lot of trust into you guys. Do I want that alacrity? Pin that. Pin. What am I writing? Lib nvidia /gl whatever that is. Hyphen? Oh, I don't know. 535 colon I 386 rolls off the tongue. Oh, sudo app install. Is that part of the thing, is it? Sudo apt install authenticate. I assume that's my password. All right. Upgrading 0, installing 44, removing 3, not upgrading 0, downloads 98 megs, blah, blah, blah. What are you getting me to do here? I'm just doing it. I trust you. Crypto. Currency. Deleted. I don't have any cryptocurrency, it's fine. Oh, geez, it's 12:15. It's lunchtime. I don't have anything to have for lunch. I do love how it looks when you install the program. Like the stuff, like, yeah, I do like that. It looks like real hacker shit. It's like I'm installing it. Is it done? Do I have to press anything? Enter. Oh, it's done. Okay, it's finished. There you go. The real driver is now installed. Okay. Let's assume, Azuretron, that you're not here, right? And I'm not live streaming right now. How the hell would I learn that? How the hell would I find out that that was what I needed to do? I'm making a Pac-Man repo right now. Be there in a minute. Keep going. Okay, all good. I don't know what a Pac-Man repo is. Aren't the i386 for x86 also seemed like older versions, but please correct me if I'm wrong. Claude, okay. I do have Claude installed on my phone. You got the Steam error in the very beginning. Yeah, fair call. If I'd have paid more attention to that, I probably would have been steered in the right direction. Alright, let's have a look at what I installed. Actually, let's try and run this again. Should I restart the computer? code was down below. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Yeah. I should try the game that was getting bad frames. I agree. That's what I'm about to do. But should I restart the computer? No. It's good to go. All right. Take your word for it. It was getting about 45 FPS. Let's see how it goes. Retro Rewind. Great game if you're into like those simulator kind of things. It doesn't need to restart like Windows. We'll see. That sounds good. Oh, they've compatible GPU is required to run the game. Well. I need to restart it. They've added achievements. I was 100% on this. Oh, no, I wasn't. I wasn't 100% on this game. I haven't done it yet. It's not working now. Maybe I need to restart it. You're 100%. Yeah, I've got two Chivos left because I haven't unlocked all of the like expansions, and then I think I haven't got like 1,000 videos or something. All right, so either that thing that we did before balked it, or it just needs a restart. I know you're saying it doesn't need it, but that's the best I've got. I'm going to restart it. Turn it off and on again. Restart. Do your magic. Go web. 9 viewers. G'day everyone. I'm testing out Ubuntu for the first time. Never used it before. Trying to get some games to work. Trying to work out how to install the drivers for NVIDIA and stuff. Getting a lot of help. Good people in the chat. So otherwise I don't know what I'm doing. Love the live stream. Thanks, Liquid. You are very engaging. I appreciate it. Now, if you like what I'm doing, then you might like our show. We do every fortnight, usually on a Monday. Sometimes it changes if I'm busy. What's these things down the left here? Oh, down the right. There's 3 of us. It's called the Age XP Show, and yeah, once a fortnight, usually on Mondays. It's about video games and pop culture, and I'll probably be talking about this experience on the next show. You might actually like it. You can check out some of the old shows. You can check out the recent one that we did last Monday. And let's see if you like it. You may be a new viewer. Who knows? Yeah, what is all this crap over here? Videos? Camera? It show. Have you turned it off on... Oh, the IT show. Yeah. The IT crowd, I think it was. I like how they set up the automatic thing to answer the phone and just played a tape that said, have you tried turning it off and on again? And then hangs up. Right. Back to Steam. Did I click that right? Or is it lagging? I'll try it again. I don't know. No, it's coming. It's coming. Relax. I'm assuming since you said it's noon and calling it a fortnight, you're an Aussie. The accent, I think, would have been the first giveaway. And yes, it's midday, so probably a very completely different time to yourself. And I called it a fortnight? What do you guys call it? I'm assuming you're American. What do you call 2 weeks? What's another word for a fortnight? Bi-weekly? Or you just say every 2 weeks? Okay. Yeah. All right. Bi-weekly. Yeah. Whatever works. A fortnight's not an Aussie thing. It's 4:21 a.m. for me. Yeah, right. Is it? Time zones are crazy. Yeah, it's 12:22. 12:22 here. Where are these installed games? This is what I was going to play, wasn't it? Just to make sure I'm not streaming it. Yeah, this device. Let's see if it loads, because it didn't work. I'll catch the show on the next fortnight. Go and have a look at the ones that are already there. See if you'll like it. Nah, we stuffed it. Where Azure Tron Online? I know you're in the middle of building something. But the thing you made me do broke it. How do I fix it? Because it was working, then I typed some things, and now it's not working. It's in here. Empty trash. Let's go in here. How to install NVIDIA graphics driver on Ubuntu. Sudo remove. You already had it. Lordy. Yeah, I don't know. Sudo? What does sudo mean? All these things. APT? What's an APT? Remove lib NVIDIA GL 535:5386. Sudo turns you into root of that one command. Sudo is super user. Continue, yes. Okay, so that's done. Copy and paste, but may need to press Control-Shift-V to paste it into the terminal. I don't have the chat up on the computer I'm actually using. Now that game shouldn't have that error. I'll be impressed if you did fix that. Retro rewind. Still has the error. Shader model 5. Should I reinstall the game? Actually, let's just verify. Installed files. Verify integrity. Let's try that. Game is not the problem. Well, it ran the first time. Whatever we did with that driver. Alright, let's search this. Can I alt tab? Is that a thing? It is. This error indicates that the game engine requires a graphics card supporting DirectX 11 feature level. Is either incompatible hardware, outdated drivers, or has a corrupted DirectX component. Yeah, I need to install the driver properly. Is there a way to install the driver without using the terminal and typing in spaghetti? Yeah, Steam can't find the GPU, yeah. The long command just reverts it back to the original ones. It worked with the original one. How did I find that? Can't remember how I did that before. Oh, that's right. What's this thing? Help. Click on the additional drivers tab. Additional drivers, you say? In what? Open software updates. Open software and updates from your application menu. Sure, that's it. Oh, here, software updater. Wait for the list to populate. You'll see several NVIDIA driver versions. Select the one labeled proprietary tested. It's probably better through the GUI if it works. Speaking of Linux, Ubuntu is planning to add some useless info bloat to itself because the government laws. Oh, yeah. I've heard some stuff about this. It involves giving your name and date of birth to them without consent. Yeah. Open software and updates from your application menu. Bro, just do it. Just do it. Click on the additional drivers tab. That's from Gemini. I didn't see additional drivers. Tab. Please, no more AI. It was what I had opened. Yeah, I don't know. This is tricky. Is this worth it? Is this worth it for me to go from knowing how to use Windows? Is this worth this kind of hassle and trying to learn the ropes? What are the benefits of using Linux? because I always used to hear people going on about it, you know, what was it, micro slop and all that sort of business. I'm like, bugger it, I'll give this a try, I'll try it. But is it really, I mean, for somebody that doesn't have time to sit around for, like I obviously have time today, sit around for hours doing stupid shit. Oh shit, you were getting the 7.0 kernel. Is that not good? What's wrong with that? Don't write, oh shit! Did you remove... Oh, yeah, I think so. It's brand new. Oh. Alright, we'll see how it goes then, I suppose. Restart now. Restart and install updates. Let's do it. What was I saying? Yeah, I know how to use Windows, you know? I mean, I like how this works. It's just... it'll take a long time to learn it. Install is quick, but learning a new OS will always take some work. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm just like, oh. I'm going to be honest with you. At this point in time, Windows 11 is going to go back on this laptop eventually. I want to play with this for a little bit longer, so I'm not going to get rid of it straight away. But I can see me just going back to Windows 11. Alright, I wonder if that did some things. I'm going to see if this works. I'm really hungry. There's only one way for me to have food right now, and that's it if I go and make it. Lame. Alright. Come on. Don't know if I did anything that would be anywhere near fixing what my problem is, but let's try it. No. When you open Steam for the first time ever, there was an error and there was a solution to it down below. Guess we are confusing ourselves. Yeah, there was an error, wasn't there? Let's see if Baby Steps launches. Grab a controller and kick back. I've got a controller. Do I have a cable to save me setting it up? Actually, let me just take the USB dongle and plug it into here. It's not a PS4 controller! How dare you! It's a game set. What happened? Did it launch? Game controller battery is low. No, it's not! What? I don't think it launched. I didn't see an error though. Did a thing? Not the thing I wanted it to do, but it did a thing. This will revert you back to the original drivers if you put it into the terminal. Didn't I do that before? I thought I did that before. I don't really want to type that. Can I? I'm going to bring up the stream. Copy and paste it. What are we doing? No. Let's go to YouTube. Ubuntu live stream. Actually, I'll just type in my account channel name. What's it called? Aussie Gamers Experience. What? That's not me. Maybe I'll type in the Age XP show. That should find me. No, it's the Age XP show, kid. I don't even know the name of my own channel. Forgot I changed it. Alright. Copy. It doesn't work. Do I need to do like Control Shift V or something? Yeah, I do. Okay. Oh, I still had that V thing in there, didn't I? Oh, what happened? Oh, I don't think I copied and pasted enough of it. Sudo apt. I didn't copy that. Doing things. Alright, it did things. Now work. Do your thing. It's not a DualShock controller. Wash your mouth out. If anything, it's like an Xbox controller. Nah, she's still no good. We killed it. If I can't get it right with you guys helping me, what hope have I got? I'm restarting it. I'm restarting it. I'm just doing it. And I'm grabbing something to eat. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to leave the camera blurred while I eat, just in case there's a weird feeder fetish person in the chat or in the stream. I don't want anyone getting off on me eating food for free. I'll save that for my OnlyFans of eating people. OnlyFans thing. Anyway, what am I talking about? Right, where am I? Errors can be a bitch sometimes. There was once an issue where installing Steam uninstalled the desktop and you ended up with a black screen. Not your fault. Now you should be one reboot away from good to go. So do I have to reboot, do I? I thought I did that, didn't I? I can't remember. Let's do it. Can't hurt. Turn it off and back on again while I eat. I already did. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, well. I just like seeing the Azus in search of incredible screen. It's so beautiful. Right, is it gonna work? Need some water. Hey, it's doing the thing it did before when it worked. But yeah, I just think the low frames is probably because it's just how it runs. There we go. It's working. Yeah, same FPS. But in saying that, probably just turn it down. Just set to. What?
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
See.
Or have we both moved on to different names?
Yeah, it's still the same. Anyway. Sebastian, gotta go and hope you have a good time. Just trying stuff out is good for a start. get hooked the second time you boot into it out of curiosity and boredom. Thanks, mate. Thanks for joining us. Have a good one, Sebastian. Alright. I've finished my food. Smashed a sandwich with a bit of crumb chicken on it. So. This poor bastard's still doing the returns. Wish there was a way you could see how many returns there were in there. Yeah, it runs alright, I suppose. Alright, it works. That's the main thing. Let's try baby steps. See if that works. All these Vulcan shaders. Do what you gotta do, mate. What's an idea that we can try and get Mel to do as an overlay? Did nobody subscribe? I think there was supposed to be an overlay pop up. Test the alert. Wait. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there we go. That's what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to go on top of my camera as well, though. That's weird. Game controller battery is low. You'll find it's not, mate. Hey, Meldfan99, membership pro. Are these more? Are these? No. These are. Wait, whoa. I didn't tell you to change scene. I think they were more tests. I don't think they were actually people coming in. No, censor the nudity for this stream, please. Can you go away? You are not necessary. Let's just continue. I don't know where I'm up to. This is running just as good or bad, I suppose. Oh shit. I obviously stopped playing while I was in the water. Oh, I cannot remember how to play this game. Alright, let's go. Let's see if I can work out how to get up here. Right, stand up. Stand up. Alright. Up. Can't remember. So do you press the trigger first? Oh shit. Water again. Alright, press the trigger. Move that. And then put it down. And then the next one. Okay, yeah. Right. No, I'm not gonna get up there. Oh my god! Alright, let's try and get up from here. Get out. Does this game ever explain why this guy is so clumsy? Is it just because he's a pothead? Don't do drugs, kids. You'll end up like this idiot. Oh my god. An Ubuntu install and driver hassle, like always. Yeah, it's... Oh, that's what you missed. Yeah, that's what you missed. The actual install process was pretty good. It was just a weird NVIDIA thing trying to work out if it was installed properly. I think in the end we probably made the problem worse because it was installed. It's just these games probably aren't terribly compatible with Linux. No! Yes, I remember now why I stopped playing this game. I've watched a person stream. What do you call it? Speed run. What is he doing? What is he doing? Dare I move the camera? Yeah, you better stop. Oh, he's going back for it. Oh, he's going. Oh my god. Anyway. NVIDIA drivers sounds about right. Yep. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to get onto some land. See if I can... Look at this bloke. What a nut job. What a weird game. But yeah, I've watched some speedrunners and they speedrun this game insanely fast. I know that's the general idea. Speedrun. But I struggle just to get walking. Here we go. Oh, he's... Oh! Which way can I go? Okay. Maybe over here where it's dry. It was one of those developer reacts to speedruns videos. It was pretty funny. Check it out. The developer for this game is truly as mad as the game is itself. Oh my god. It's a canon event at this point. NVIDIA is indeed a proprietary garbage. Alright. This game works. It's not too bad. But I don't really want to play it. It just does your head in. Crazy hard. Alright. The last caretaker does not like running on this laptop. It is not even close to powerful enough. Alright, well, I think for today, I've... I'm trying to think of some old DOS commands. Doesn't backseat come with the NVIDIA drivers set up out of the box? Yes, so does cache. Yeah, I think this does too. No, well, this had it because it worked. It's just that we mucked around with it thinking that it wasn't working and made it not work. Yeah, this is a Ubuntu. But I don't know. You guys are talking like Ubuntu isn't that good, but it's seems fairly widely praised. Anyway, I think I might pull the pin on the stream. Go get some fresh air. Seeing as I got this working, we've been streaming for 3 hours. God, it was easier than I thought it was going to be. What is all this crap, though? Where did this shit come from? Down here. What happened? Where did this shit come from? Broken link. Why did it add all this stuff? Snap. What's snap? Alacrity. Brave. Discord. I don't want all that stuff there, but I don't know if I can delete them. Anyway. Alright. Thank you everyone who has come and joined me for the stream. It's been fun. It worked. Got some things done. I'm going to go for a bike ride, I think. Go get some fresh air. I think the weather is actually quite nice today. What is the temperature outside today? 19 degrees... No, 21... 21 degrees and sunny. For you Americans, that's actually a nice temperature because it's Celsius, not Fahrenheit. You can do sudo blah 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 btop and it will show you everything from CPU, GPU stats to disk reads and writes. Ubuntu has been on the decline for strange technical decisions. It's all good. See how we keep going. Alright, as I was about to say, thank you very much to everyone that came along and watched. Special thank you to all of you that helped, like Azure. I think Light Ray, yeah, you've been here for a while. Light Ray, Master. We got in here. What's this? Yeah, cheers everyone. Thank you very much. I don't think I've got the end scene. I don't. I'm just gonna have to stop the stream. All right, for any of you guys that enjoyed the stream today, go and check out the Age XP show on this channel. It's a live show. Goes for about 2.5 hours. You can put it on in the background, but it's quite visual. We play games on there and stuff. It's like trivia, fun stuff. You might find it fun. If not, it's all good. Have a lovely day. See ya, Azure Tron online. Appreciate all of yous. Alright, I don't know how to go offline on Meld yet.